and today it's a Saturday and time for a new bake. Today we are going to be making chocolate crackles. Here's a picture just for reference. So, to start, we will need to put the chopped chocolate into a large heat-proof bowl and set over a pan of steaming hot water but not boiling water. Don't let the base of the bowl touch the hot water. Right then, we need to measure out 100 grams of dark chocolate. That will need a bowl. Oh yeah, and this needs to be dark chocolate. 36. 61. 62. And then... And again. This chocolate is hard. That'll do. Right then. Marie, please can you chop this for me? While Mummy is chopping that, we will need to start the next thing. We're back. The chocolate is on to boil and we just need to measure out some butter. As you can see, I've changed the lighting a bit. How much butter? 100 grams of unsalted butter. Just some stuff in there. It's fun. I put my butter. Butter. Okay. I need a spoon. I need a spoon. I need a spoon to get 100 grams of butter. In. Another spoon to get I forgot to put it on. I need another spoon to get 100 grams of butter. Another spoon to get 100 grams of butter. Another spoon to get 100 grams of butter. We're up to 100 grams of butter. Onwards. Right then, how's that? It has not melted. Okay. So, just while your chocolate is melting, just hang around. How much muscovado light brown sugar do we need? 150 grams of light brown muscovado sugar. Or just light brown sugar if you don't have the muscovado option. Sugar. Muscovado sugar. How much muscovado? Oh. I went out that bowls are very, very heavy. We need a lot. I'm spanking it. We need a good. I put too much. This spoon. I need 150. I'm just scooping that because I got like 178. chocolate has fully melted. And now I can put the butter in. Stir in it. I'm not going to use this bowl for anything else. I think I can put in the muscovado sugar. That is nice and smooth. What do I do next? Beat the egg with the vanilla until they're combined. Right then. I like to crack eggs into mugs because that is essentially just a tiny bowl. So when you're mixing or beating the eggs with something, then you've got a tiny bowl to do it in. No eggs in this one. And now it is vanilla extract. Vanilla extract. How much? Half a teaspoon, I think. Yeah, half a teaspoon. Round one. Round one again. Half it. Down. I can just put this straight everywhere. Need a fork. Fork. Stab the egg and mix. Yeah, you could use a fork or a whisk for this bit. And if you're doing this with still quite hot chocolate, be sure to do this quickly because otherwise you'll end up with scrambled egg in there. 175 grams of flour. Yeah, this is self-raising flour. 172. 177 is good enough. And we pour that in. How much bicarbonate of soda? 1 teaspoon. I mean half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. I did the wrong drawer again. Quarter of a teaspoon. I mean half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. Bicarbonate of soda. Where did I put it here again. Bicarbonate of soda. Ooh, that made a nice sound. I can't tell if that was something happening upstairs or if it was the... Yeah, it was this. Right there. Now we need to wrap it up in cling film and wait for an hour for it to cool. I'm back and I've taken them out of the freezer, I mean the fridge, and now I'm rolling them into little balls. Oh, and also I didn't forget to put the oven on at 200 degrees C on fan. There we go. I'm just going to wash my hands. Now I need to lay some icing sugar down. Yeah, I don't usually do this, but this is how to make the actual crack. Because before I told you that these were chocolate crackles, not just chocolate biscuits. Yeah, you need to make sure that you've fully coated your balls. Yeah, a really quick way to coat them is to like shake them around in this. Yeah. Right then. That's all of them in. Right then. Now I'm going to put it on for 12. Alexa, set a timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, starting now.
Also, I'm just putting it in with my hands because it's not hot yet, but definitely when you take it out, always use oven gloves. Let's see how they're doing. Those look nice. Ooh. I think those have worked nicely. I'll get them for you to look at. Also, we need to leave the biscuit on there while they cool down. Unlike cakes, they need to be left on. Oh. Hello, we're back and now I'm going to try one of these cookies. Oh my gosh, that is amazing.